What's good, guys? So this particular trade took me about a week to hit my take profit. So come with me, let's go into the chart so we can break the trade down. So guys, here we are on the chart, and this trade really gave me it gave me that strength to overcome my emotions, right? This is the reason why, because it took me about a week. And imagine holding a trade for a week. How would you feel? Most of you guys will be controlled by the charts. Like each candlestick, you see its form, you try to attach it with your emotions. Imagine the trade, you looking at the trade, moving into your take profit, and then bounce back, and it was left with a small pips for it to hit your to be in drawdown or your break even. Man, that alone is really some different thing. So this is how we held the trade, and then this is why we took the trade. So if you look at the daily, coming guys, okay. So last 2 weeks when we took the trade was right here. So we found our AOI, and then if you look at it, the weekly was bearish, lower low. The weekly was creating this lower low and then the lower high. Okay, so that's why as you can see, the weekly is bearish. We move to the daily as well. So the daily was also bearish as well. So here is it, the lower low and then the lower high. This is our weekly AOI, also representing the daily AOI as well. So now this is what we do. We wait for price to touch our AOI, to get into our AOI. So if you look at the weekly, so the weekly was, if you notice something, the weekly was touching the AOI, but then this way it was. So the weekly touched it, but then didn't give us that rejection. It only gave us a bearish rejection sign candlestick. So this is a sign that is trying to reject it, but we still need, if you look at this is a huge bearish candlestick. Although it touched the AOI, but then it gave us a huge bearish candlestick. If you move off to the daily, you will notice that it touched the AOI, but then for some reasons we didn't take the trade right here. We wanted it to give us like a good touch, or like you should get into the AOI properly, not just wait for it. So the daily give us this, and then hit our okay, let's play the chart and let's see. So it gave us this huge. So at this point we were waiting for the break above this place, we didn't get. So this is what allowed us to wait for the proper retracement on the AOI. It gave us this huge. So as you can see, this huge so right here, this place, the trade literally gave us this the gravestone candlesticks. We then waited for more confirmations from the daily, and then give us another, and this is the game changer. We waited for the 4 hour to break this structure right here, but it didn't give us, and then it rather gave us this huge liquidity grab on the daily. we'll move on to the 4 hour. I know some of you guys are asking why am I not showing the 4 hour? Yes, I've not subscribed to the premium one yet, but I'll do that in the next videos to come, inshallah. So let's continue playing our daily before we move on to the 4 hour time frame. So as it gave us this huge daily evening star, which is signifying that the daily AOI has been rejected. And when we look at the weekly as well, a weekly also has given us the same, this huge rejection from EMA, rejection from rise psychological level, and then the rejection from the previous structure point. And then the daily also give us here the same, this, as you know, that this is the lower low, the lower high. It's rejected the previous structure point. So let's move on to the 4 hour. It will tell that this okay, as I told you guys, I've not upgraded for the premium one yet. So we move on to the 4 hour time frame. As we all know why we got interested in this trade. So if you notice this, the 4 hour gave me my favorite pattern. That's the left head, right shoulder. We waited for the neckline to break, and then we had it. But this is what changed the game differently for us. Went to the 2 hour time frame. So the 2 hour time frame literally gave us this. It gave us the 2 hour time frame gave us this shift of structure right here. That's the shift of structure, like high, low, and then it break below the neckline of the left head, right shoulder, giving me this huge bearish engulfing. So I took my trade right here. That's the signal. If you go to the 1 hour, you see that it gave us the same. You gave me this same bearish engulfing, so that's my entry was valid. I took the trade on the 2 hour bearish engulfing, and we just that's our so that's what we were, that's why we took the trade. And then at this point of time, after we placed our trade, we have nothing to do with the market again. We just leave it, set and forget, and wait for the market to do it. That's why it took me 2 weeks. So literally when the trade hit, when the trade literally got to this place right here, got to this place where I held it, my target was at 1:2. Yeah, 1:2. So we're left with a little bit of pips for it to hit my take profit, and then it bounced back for days again. Like God, like this is where most traders give up. Like they try to get out of the market, but you rather have to hold the market until your stop loss or your take profit. I don't do break-even trades. Or those, if I'll even do break-even, it's because of some 1 or 2 reasons. That's why I'll do that. So as you can see, we held the trade for a week, and it literally paid off. So guys, that's why I took my trade. So guys, I just showed you guys why I took the trade, and most importantly, your emotions, bro. You gotta get rid of your emotions when you're in this trading industry thing. You gotta get rid of your emotions. Don't allow your emotions to overcome you. The emotions is like one thing that's like the psychology part, right? Is the most important part in trading. You have to work on your psychology if you want to be a profitable trader. Although I'm not yet a profitable trader, but I'm figuring it out to be a profitable, and next year inshallah I will be one. Guys, please do well to like and comment and subscribe to my channel FXF here, as I will be dropping to you guys more videos like this. And yeah, stay tuned guys as we drop more videos.